Hi everyone, we're here today with Rob Policastro, JGM's Health and Safety Manager, to discuss hand safety. Rob, to start us out, could you tell us what are the top causes of hand injuries in the industrial construction and steel fabrication industry?
Sure, I would say sharp objects would be one of the highest ones up there, along with machinery, hot and cold, especially these days with wintertime, frostbite, chemicals, and then gravity and electricity.
What safety measures does JGM have in place to prevent hand injuries in their shop and on job sites?
So what I like in the shop, we have a glove board where you can pick from different kinds of gloves that you may need. Definitely need to use the proper glove. We want to make sure that they're not too big and bulky where they would get caught up in machinery such as chain falls. We also have cut resistant gloves up there, and along with some chemical gloves. And out in the field, we pretty much do the same thing. Back in the day, you always had those big winter bulky gloves, insulated, but now they've come out with some thinner gloves that are better out in the field, so you can handle nuts and bolts a little better.
What type of personal protection equipment should employees wear to prevent hand injuries?
Well, the number one would be gloves, right? Just like we talked about, having the right glove for the job. There's other tools out there that help us prevent us from using our hands. An example would be like when we're putting down grating, they have some grating hooks. So we would use the hook to bring the grating over to us and also remove grating. So manufacturers have a lot of different things out there to help with hand safety.
Great. Are there any other thoughts about hand safety that you'd like to share?
Yeah, I would wrap it up by saying, hands are one of our greatest assets. Without them, our ability to work would be greatly reduced. No other creature in the world can hold and grasp and move and manipulate objects like the human hands. So they must be protected and cared for.